Yeah, welcome to this YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon in order for you to receive more updates. You get what I'm saying on this channel. So on this channel, we post about make money online, how to grow your business through marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram followers, Facebook followers, and so much more. Then we as well post videos on little graphic designs on using your mobile phone. Okay, graphic design editing on mobile phone. So please kindly hit the subscribe button. It's going to mean a lot to us. So thank you very much. So on this video, we're going to be talking about how to, you know, change the background of your actual picture, how to change the background of your picture. So either you want to create a thumbnail, or you want to create a Facebook ads picture, or you want to create just a flyer and you want to put your image in that flyer, you know like you want to cut out the image, put your actual image on that flyer and using that flyer as the background. Are you get what I'm saying? So this is actually how to do. So the first thing we are going to use is we are going to use PicsArt. So the first thing you need to do is switch on your mobile data and go to Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, you need to search for PicsArt. Click on it and search for PicsArt. Once you type it, search for it. Once you get it, then you'll be able to click on download. Are you get what I'm saying? You'll be able to download the app. And if you have the app already, are you get what I'm saying now? You need to update it to the latest version so you don't have any bugs while you're doing it. So once you download it, switch off your data. Switch off your data. Always ensure you switch off your data when using PicsArt. Are you get what I'm saying now? So to avoid any kind of lagging or something like that. So let's open PicsArt. Let's go back to our phone. We're going to go to PicsArt. This is PicsArt app, the icon. So we just open it right now, and the next thing we're going to click on this plus icon. First of all, I want you to check my clicking navigation effect on the screen, like you can see right now. I get what I'm saying. I want you to check everything. You get what I'm saying now? So that is actually how it is. So the next thing we are going to do right now is click on all photos. We want to go and get the photos we want to cut out. That is the photo we want to change the background. That is actually what we want to do here. So I'm going to select, I want to check the picture right now. Let me scroll down to check all the pictures. Let me scroll down. To check the pictures I want to cut out. So let me see right now. So this is actually the picture. I'm going to choose this, and once I have it like this, I want to check you can see my navigation effect on this place. So I'm just letting you to see. So keep your eye on this click effect. Okay, so the next place we're going to go is, you're going to see all this option down here. Are you get what I'm saying? So the first thing you need to go is scroll through it and click on, you look for cutout. You're going to click on cutout. Click on cutout. Once you click on cutout, then the next thing you need to do, you're going to see person, face, clothes, person, face, clothes, sky, different kind of things. So the first thing you need to, the one button you need to click on is, you need to click on person. So once you click on person, you'll be able to, this person option will cut out your picture. You get to your actual picture automatically. You get what I'm saying now? So once it cuts it, like once you click on person like that, once it cuts it out, the next thing you need to click on is click on this eye icon here to see it. Can you see it has been cut out like that? So the next thing you need to do is, you actually need to click on this mark icon. So once you click on that mark icon, then the picture has been cut out, so you need to save it to your gallery. So you're going to click on this arrow icon here, and you are going to click on gallery. So this has been saved to your gallery. So the next thing for you is, either you go to Google, maybe you want to go to Google, and you want to download a background that you want to use, or we use a background right here, some of the free plain backgrounds here on PicsArt. So I'm going to use this one in this app. So if you want to use another background, you could go to Google and download it. You get what I'm saying now? But I'm going to use this one. Let's just use this one. Let's say I'm going to select color green. You get what I'm saying? As a free background here. So you could change the size of this background stuff when you click on this actual place. You click on tools, you click on crop, and you're going to see different sizes. Okay, so you could choose any one, square story, different kind of post, cover post, Twitter post, different things. You can click on it. So for this, I'm not going to I'm going to choose square. Okay, that is the actual size of it. So I'm going to click on this mark icon, and the next thing I'm going to do is you are going to import the photo that you cut out. So you are going to check this down options, and you're going to go to add photo. Click on add photo, and this is the actual image we just cut out. Are you get what I'm saying now? So due to the fact that you just saved it recently, PicsArt will show it to the top here. So I'm going to click on that photo. How you get what I'm saying? And I'm going to click on add. So you can see the images on the background. So we are going to adjust it to a full size, like a reasonable size for it to size that background. And this is actually my picture on the background. So what you could actually do here, you could input some text in this side, text in this side, and your other kind of designs you want to do. I get what I'm saying, which we are not going to cover in this picture, in this actual video. Are you get what I'm saying? Now we're just talking about changing the background of your picture. Or I could just decide to place this image in the middle here, and the background has been changed. Are you get what I'm saying now? Or any background you download from Google. Are you get what I'm saying now? So let's say you want to outline the you're going to click on this mark icon. Let's say you want to outline this picture, like you want to outline this picture, then we're going to cover that in the next video. You get what I'm saying now? We're going to cover that in the next video, whereby you'll be able to outline the picture, like you'll be able to add like a white outline, as if you use pencil to trace yourself or something like that. So thank you very much. And the next thing we're going to actually do is, let's save this picture. Go to the arrow icon, click on gallery. Let's go to my gallery right now and check it. So you're going to go to the pictures. You get one picture folder, or you can see PicsArt, or you're going to click on picture folders, and this is the actual image. You get what I'm saying? So thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching this video. I love you all, and see you on the next video. Bye.